Alright, so we're back for the second flight with the FT Mustang. This is the same session, just a different battery from the original Maiden, but I'm really comfortable with this thing now, and I like how it's flying, so let's go ahead and put it back up in the air. I need to adjust my thrust angle for sure. It's pulling to the left. But hey, other than that, like, look at this thing go. Speedy. Speedy. Just on rails. Can really bite into the rudder too hard, and you can see right there I kind of almost got in a bad attitude with this airplane. Became kind of risky, but gotta be careful. You know, obviously on the Maiden you want to stay high. I'm not totally comfortable with this thing yet, but it is getting there. It's a lot of fun. Still a little touchy on the ailerons. I'm only at 70% total throw on there, but I did have a pretty wide open, you know, control horn throws. So that kind of explains why I went ahead and dialed back my rates, because I may have even gone middle hole on the control horn and full end hole on the servo horn. I'm not totally sure. This thing is just fun to bomb around at full speed with. You can see thing just takes off nicely. Nice straight lines. Even with this, you know, messed up airframe, it's still tracking nice and straight. You can see here's about a quarter throttle pass, keeping it nice. I feel like this prop and motor setup performs better at full speed than it does at half speed, especially with the vibration situation that we've got going on. I feel like it's just better. Maybe eliminate some of the vibration? I'm not exactly sure. That doesn't really make sense, but that's what I'm feeling with this plane as I fly it, so. Looks like the sun's coming out for some sort of sunset tonight. That's nice. Don't really get a lot of those. Looks like rain's happening for the next week or so. So unfortunately we might be grounded for a little bit, but I've got some exciting surprises coming in the mail. So hopefully that will make it, you know, a little bit more interesting for the channel. I'm gonna start a few more scratch builds, stuff like that. But I've got, like I said, some more surprises and things like that that'll be coming to the channel very soon. So stay tuned for those. This is definitely more of a Mustang. You know, I see all the same characteristics in that were found in the original P51, this larger one, that were transferred in this, which I really like because I love how that larger Mustang flies. It's just, this thing is like twice as fast, and I like going fast and I like maneuverable airplanes, so no complaints from me. I want to see what this thing is like on a larger propeller, like a 6-inch 6x3. It's probably gonna have a lot more torque to it, and of course you've seen the torque roll that this thing can get. It's pretty nasty even on this, you know, very smooth 5-inch prop. So I'm not exactly sure what that's gonna turn into, I guess, but we'll have to try it out. Yeah, the sun is really coming out. This is an interesting backdrop with the dark clouds and then the sun on the plane. Looks kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in for a landing just to keep this battery charge conservative, so we don't completely deplete the cells out too far. We're about 4 minutes into the flight, but there we go. Perfect, perfect. These minis don't really belly slide that well, especially on this taller grass. But there we have it, folks. As you can see, the FT Mini Mustang. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like this plane. I can't wait to get another one built, fix this little motor vibration issue, whatever that is. And yeah, I'm really excited to feature more content with it on the channel. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.